So I just got some new mirrors for the tractor that I thought was pretty cool. They are magnetic. And let me go grab the other one. But these are mirrors that you can stick onto equipment or anything that is magnetic in order to be able to see behind you. Like my tractor, I don't have mirrors, I don't have a cab or anything. But we have these magnetic ones, and all they got to do is just stick them on. Now the only thing that's really metal right here where I can stick them to is going to be the loader. So I'm just going to put them there, but it actually still works pretty well right there. I'll show you here in just a moment while we're up on the tractor. I'll show you actually how well the mirrors work. You take the other one and stick it right here. You can easily turn it different directions, just like you would a car mirror. So it's pretty cool. And there is a bolt underneath that you can tighten to keep it from turning as easily. And the magnets are actually pretty strong. One magnet, only one's on there right now touching it. It holds pretty well. It's got a really good hold. And I'll show you going down the gravel that it won't bounce off either. Let's go ahead and go for a ride, and I'll show you the mirrors. But with these, now I could use the mirrors to see what's behind me without having to look behind me. Alright, so I got this bumpy gravel drive right here, and you'll see that this will hold on pretty well, even with the bounce. I can see behind me while I'm going forward. I can see behind me. And you'll see with the bounce, they stay on. But these mirrors are really handy to have. If you've got some equipment, whether it's a mower, a tractor, an excavator, whatever it might be, you don't have mirrors, and you want to add some mirrors really easily, as long as you got some metal, you can get these magnetic ones, and there you go. I really do think they come in handy and they work pretty well.